Welcome to our video lesson on the word commonly. Today, we'll explore this common English term, or better to say, adverb of frequency, and how it's used in a sentence. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, stick around to learn more. 60% commonly. The word commonly means something that happens often or is done regularly by many people. It is typically placed before the main verb. For example, he commonly listens to music while studying. Remember, the word commonly is a word you commonly encounter in English. It's used to describe things that happen often or are done regularly by many people. Keep practicing and using commonly in your sentences to become more fluent in English. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.